You've been in an accident that involves a tractor trailer or an 18-wheeler. What do? I'm Steve Kramer. I'm an Orlando accident and injury attorney, and I handle truck accidents. And if you've been in one of these accidents, the first thing you've got to understand is this is a lot different than a motorcycle or car accident. It's a lot different. And that means you got to be looking for different things. Now, immediately after the accident, you're going to do a lot of the same things you do in a car accident. You're going to make sure you call the police and file a police report. You're going to make sure that you get documentation. You're going to get witness names. You're going to take photos if it's possible. You're basically going to gather as much evidence on the scene as possible and take a look at the truck. Now, once you get our firm involved or an attorney involved, here's what they should do. They should be looking and investigating that truck as soon as possible, because a lot of times what causes these accidents is poor maintenance of the safety equipment and poor maintenance of the truck. So we want to be looking at the cab and the trailer of the truck. We want to be seeing if we want to be determining if they've been properly handled, properly maintained. We want to be looking and seeing if the safety equipment's functioning properly, if the lights are functioning properly. We know that when you're talking about a large truck, there's a lot of times a black box recorder. Kind of like when an airplane goes down and you get that black box, well, you get the same thing when you're talking about an 18-wheeler or a tractor trailer. We want to be looking at defective tires. We want to see if there's defective parts. And that means we've got to get there as quick as possible before that evidence vanishes, right? And the other thing we want to know about is the driver. A lot of times they maintain logs. We want to see if drugs are involved because they have to do drug testing a lot of times. We want to see if speeding's involved. And again, black box can be valuable for that. We want to get on the scene, look for gouge marks in the pavement, look for skid marks, look for glass. We want to be able to reconstruct that accident. We want to see if fatigue was involved. We want to see if the driver was distracted. We want to see if they were being aggressive or if they had road rage and they were acting in a way that caused the accident. And these are all factors that really come into play in a truck accident. This is a very different scenario than when you talk about a motorcycle or a car accident. And it's important to involve a truck accident lawyer that understands how unique these cases are. I'm telling you this because I've seen these cases handled the wrong way. And I want to make sure your case is handled the right way. And that's what we're here to do, to guide you through this and any other legal issue. That's why we're one firm for life. So if you have any questions, give me a call. I'd be glad to talk to you. I'm Steve Kramer. Thanks for watching.